27th Seaside Park Ocean updates. Water temperature this morning is 69.2. We have a high tide coming up at 9:41. Northeast wind is cranking this morning. Waves are looking waist to chest high. Should continue to build a little bit through the day. And yeah, definitely surfable at a wind protected spot today. Not really good beach weather. There's no flies at the beach. And we're looking at a cleanup sometime, hopefully, maybe Sunday morning. Definitely maybe Sunday morning. But we'll see. The forecast keeps changing. For today, we're looking at that 20, 25 mile an hour wind all day. Any nor'easter conditions. That's a great Friday.